looking more on how to edit the home page. The home page aspects. Um, we looked previously on how you can edit some of those, the user profile and all that. I hope you got it. This time we'll be looking at home page. So first, if once you log in, you see this manage, it pops up this aspect. So all you do is click on content. So I might just have to put this in another page. Yeah, so let's have it in another page. Internet is quite slow this night. I don't know why. So you can see from this content aspect, we have several pages. Now, what do we have here? What do we have here? So you have add new content. If you want to add the new content, once you click it, let's say there's a new content you want to add. I think that's the first thing we need to do before editing a different content. So click on add new content. Then it brings you here, it asks you what content do you want to add, what new content do you want to add. Is it an article, books, church branch, events, voice, homepage content, basic page, photo gallery, sermon, web forms. So now what we want to do majorly, we want to add, let's say we want to add a new book or so. But first, I think we need to go first and edit. Let's say we want to add a new page. Say just a page. You can come to here and say basic page. I think that's fine. So basic page, you have any page you just want to add something to it. Just have a content that you want to add. Let's say you want to make it a page / visitor / whatever. You just enter the title here. I can say welcome teachers. Yeah, so this can be the title, and the content can be anything. It can be, let me just get lower answer. So let's say this is the content that we are looking at. I just copy it, come back here, enter it, and paste it. Where is paste? Let me control V. So I can enter and paste again. And here I can enter the summary. Assuming I want it to just be, this is the welcome page. Let's say this is the welcome page. So you just have this. It's more like a summary, and this is the body of the content. And you can say, let me add image here. You can just click on this image icon, start loading, select the image. What image is this? I don't know what this is. Let me see. It is this. Just add it. Then I decide if I want to make it to be on the left side, should it be on the center or right, or do I want to add a caption to it? But here I'll just enter image. And majorly what the title is. So since the title is Welcome to Church, we'll use Welcome to Church. So with that, I can make it to be on the center. I think that's fine. I click on save. So this will import that image right into this part. You can see it here. You can see that image in here. So if you want to enter, let's say you want to enter a video, you can do same thing and click add a video, or you want to enter a table, you can do it, add a table. You want to make something bold, this one bold, you can do it bold. More like you editing normal content, underline it at this point, make it italics. Then let's say you want to make this part a quote. let's say it's a quote from someone, you can just do it over there, and then you come over here and make it a quote. You can see it here, a quote. So when it's a quote, it's kind of centralize it and try to make it in a way you see that there's something different with this content. Then let's say you want to make list of let's say bullet. There's bullet number one. You type something. Two, you can see it. Three. So more like you editing a full content. So the other part I will discuss here is if you have knowledge of HTML, which you might not have, but if you have that, you can actually view source. So when you view source, you see the code behind all this. You can see it. So you can change the code here and click back this. Let's say I don't want this to be H2, I want this to be H1. Watch. I want it to be H1, and I can just go back and then view source. You see. So by the time I go back, you can see this thing is left. So it's more like you trying to change the source code of it. So also we have what we call the editor, which is WYSIWYG. What you see is what you get. So this is the part where you can decide what do I really want. Do I want it to be HTML? Do I want it to be restricted HTML or full content? Basically, I just use basic HTML and then type whatever you want. So over this place, you have the menu settings. You don't really need to put it to menu. In case, let's say, on the home page, you want to make this page maybe appear here also. So you can add it to menu and you select what menu should it be under. But we don't need that here. You can see it. So the URL alias, that is automatically generated because we use the plugin here, so it's automatically generated. Author, okay, this is fine. The admin, promotion, I think this part you just leave it default. You don't need to really touch that part. So after everything, all you do, you can preview, but I just prefer like click save because I can always edit it. So what I'll do there, I'll just come over here and click save. So when I click save, what happens? Let's see. So majorly, if you can edit, if you can create a new content, definitely you can create other content as it is. So you can see it. It's a new page telling you welcome to church. You see what we entered, all the content we entered, the quotes we did. You can see it here. The image is here. This part is here. If I want to add the image at the front, I can do that. And more like you can add content to it. So now this is totally a new page that you are creating. So with this, you can create multiple page. Let's say there's need for you to create a different page in your organization, in a church or whatever. You can just create it, and you can also look into a menu. So that's for creating pages. Now, when you create the page, you can see here it has edit. Because you're an admin, that's why you're seeing this part. This part we are seeing it because you are an admin. So when you click on, you can do this to edit, quick edit to take you there, or you can click here. So when you click this, it takes you straight to that same page we just worked on. So this is you editing the page template, the basic page content type. So I think with this, you can create new pages. You can majorly note that you just go to content, click content, or you can use the shortcut content, add new basic page. So that will create pages for you in the site. Or if you feel you want to add other content types, which are custom content types that I created on this platform, like the books, the church. But by default, it comes with Drupal comes with article, basic page. I think that's majorly it. Others were created in this web form too, if you install the plugin. So we'll just go with what we have. Now you can create what? A new page, right? That's good. So the same thing you can do for others. Let's say a book. Let's say this book, you want to create this book. You can create, you can come over here, click, and then you go create book, new book. So that will take you to this part where you enter the title of the book, you enter the body of the book, you upload the image of the book image. If there's a PDF to it, you upload it. If there is what's the price? Is it free download? Is it 500 or is it 2,000? Is it 5,000? Depend on the price, you put it here. Then the image, if there's any other image, you can add it to it. Then who is the author? The author comes in here. Once you enter the author, you click save. This will automatically be a book content. So the good thing here is that when it is a book content, it goes straight towards the book category. But we will not go through that much. We'll first look at how to edit the homepage. We'll come back to book and other content types. But majorly, you can create new content by coming to the content, come to add content, and then you can locate all of them here. Thank you very much. The next part we'll be looking at the editing the home page. But I think we just have to deviate here so you understand how to create new content. Okay? Thank you very much.